Hey everyone, so this is Ging again from Telier AI, and I just want to share another cool tool, especially sa mga nag-a-apply ng work. This is an AI interviewer. So it's created by Google. Pero mas maganda siguro i-watch na lang natin. Papakita ko yung demo para sa inyo. So this is the tool called Interview Warmup. It's actually made by Google. It's one of their products. So the cool thing about this interview warm-up, it helps you practice interviews. So pwede ka mamili ng mga mamili ng field dyan, no? So yan, so it's a practicing tool. It's an AI powered tool to just ask you questions, and it's voice activated, so meaning you have to use your mic. So magkakaroon ka talaga ng person-to-person interview. So, pero yung AI mag-i-interview sa'yo. So, nagbigyan natin ng sample. For example, mamili tayo ng field na gusto natin. And yung field na gusto natin, ako piliin ko yung digital marketing. So, you can start off with this digital marketing. And then yun, pag pinindot mo siya, it will play a voice. Actually, hindi na-record yung voice lang, but it will play a voice and it would ask this question. And then, kailangan mo i-turn on yung mic mo, and then you just have to answer that question by turning on your mic. And then it would record and transcribe your answer to that question. And then magagawin niya afterwards, bibigyan ka niya ng feedback kung paano, kung okay yung sagot mo o mali, hindi maganda yung sagot mo. So this is a tool that you can use na if you just want to apply and practice para hindi ka magbulod-bulod pagdating sa interview, no? So I hope this helps you guys out. Anyway, so good luck! So ayan, so I hope that AI tool helps you guys out, and if you are interested in more AI tools para sa ating mga Pinoy, follow me for more. Ayan, see you guys tomorrow.